Bore da, good morning. This is Faeldre, a self-catering cottage on a working farm just outside the village of Faeldre. We've got some beautiful sandy beaches in this part of Snowdonia, as well as the usual mountains, castles and adventure sports. Inside we've got 3 bedrooms, 1 double, 1 twin and a smaller single, so sleeps 5. Lots of character features, some beautiful slate flooring downstairs, nice luxurious bathrooms, as well as the fantastic sea views as well, of course. Let's go have a look.
You hold me close and whisper love. Your hand in mine, more than enough. Love will find you, love will find you in my arms. Love will find you, love will find you in my arms. These battle scars know the road my heart has traveled on. But this love is strong, and you will carry me home. Love will find you, love will find you in my arms. Love will find you, love will find you in my arms.
Don't forget, you can get a lot more information on our website, dioni.co.uk. And if you like what you see on there, it helps us a lot if you use these buttons on the left, just to share it with your friends. And if you want to stay in touch, use these bigger buttons on the right. You can follow our Facebook page, Twitter feed, subscribe to this YouTube channel, things like that. Thanks for watching. Bye.
Watch it fade.